Thank you for buying this 15667 water distiller from Fixtured Displays. There is a marking for maximum water level. Do observe that for your safety. It takes about 30 minutes for water start drip. That's the cooled distilled water coming out the machine. The entire 1 gallon takes about 3.5 hours. This works on 110 volts USA type of power supply. The reset button allows you to operate this continuously after a refill. This particular hose, part number is 10122, you can purchase separately that allow you to extend the nozzle to use larger containers in some distance. Please consider subscribe, leave a good seller feedback and product review. Thank you.